Yield investing or income investing is like tomato farming. You control a couple of key variables like good soil, sunlight, and water, and your odds of producing yield are very, very high. Not only that, you don't have to wait for an event like in growth investing for years with great uncertainty. You can pretty much start picking your tomatoes in a few weeks after planting, and every week you can start taking more of your yield out and build your return over time. However, the risk versus reward also has a similar pattern. Whereas growth investing, or a lobster in our case, produces $30 a pound, yield investing only produces $5 a pound, but you get your yield every day over the course of time. Subscribe and listen to YieldNerd, and we'll teach you how to accumulate and manage yield.